Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Zipcard in store. This lets you pay in physical stores using your Zip account, and the process is really quick once you know where everything is. Start by opening the Zip app and selecting In-Store on the home screen. You can also scan the QR code found on your Zip card if that's easier. After that, type in the total amount of your purchase. Make sure to include the tax so the transaction doesn't get declined. Once you enter the amount, the app will generate a fresh virtual card. This new virtual card is automatically linked to your physical Zip card. Don't worry if the numbers look different. The app creates a unique virtual card every time you start an in-store transaction, and it just loads that balance onto your physical card. After the virtual card is created, you're ready to pay. Just tap, dip, or swipe your physical Zip card at the cashier like a normal debit or credit card. The payment will go through using your Zip balance or installment plan, depending on your setup. And that's it. Using Zipcard in-store is simple once you know the steps, and the app handles the virtual card creation for you automatically.